Next, I got these Guess Low Rise skinny jeans. They're bootleg, bootleg. Yeah, these are bootleg. Summer 2014. They have the Guess patch at the back. I don't know if these will proper fit because I have a predicament. It's a black girl problem. So I'm gonna have to see how these ones are gonna look really. I'm gonna be disappointed if they don't fit properly. Like, you know, when the pants fit, but then at the back they don't fit. So it's like these are white woman jeans, but I'm not gonna let that stop me. I'm gonna see if they actually fit. This is another zip up hoodie. It says Yale Industry. I don't know what I like about this zip up, but I bought it still. I guess I like that it's gray. It has some embroidering on the arm. Let me stop trying to find things that I like. It's mine. I'm gonna wear it. Pretty good for the winter. Going like I don't want to actually put anything of substance. I can just throw this on, I guess, because it's pretty loud. Ah, get it? Yell. All right, no more of those. Next, I got this fur-lined fishbone um puffer vest. I like the color. It's like black blueberry, like that. Who's that one girl from Monster High? The wolf, right? This feels like her. It's gonna look good with my mini skirt that I always wear, but it's mine, so you know. Anyways, I like that you can unzip the fur, right? And you can unclip the hood if I'm not feeling up to it, but I like it whole, you know. And I like the high collar of this vest. Silk inner lining for the hood and the inside. I would have liked it in a small, but this is fine also. The last thing I got is this CP Company zip up in a large. I don't really wear large hoodies, but I bought it because of the goggles. But come to find out, they're cracked. So I'm gonna have to figure out where I can find a replacement, or I'm just too lazy to actually find a replacement and I'll just leave them like this. Who knows? That's, I can say, give or take all I got. Some things I don't feel like showing because it's like coats, you know, so I don't really feel like showing that. That's it. I want to see you guys next time.